Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we have an exciting video to do and I am super excited and we are going to get into it just a minute, but the way I'm sounding right now, I am a little under the weather. I tested negative, so I'm not sure if that's it. I'm not sure if it's strep, if I have the flu, but I do not feel great. I have body aches, I'm fatigued. I don't have a fever, but I do have a really bad sore throat. So I am just resting and I really wanted to get this video up because I am super excited about sharing this product with you guys. So I was reached out a couple of weeks ago by a girl named Madison, and she is on here. She commented on my video and she sent me an email asking me if I could do an honest review on their budget planners. Now this budget planner is by Jubtic and they are from Amazon, so I'm gonna link all their stuff down below. They have an Amazon storefront and they have a lot of stuff other than a budget binder. So they have budget binders which are less than $10. I think they're like $9.99. They have different colors, so I chose the rose gold, but you can choose like black, yellow, teal, navy. So I went with the rose gold, but they also have some other items that you can purchase as well. There is different address books that you can do, password books. There's also a spiral budget planner, which a spiral budget planner is probably around $22 is the last time I checked. It is super affordable, and she reached out wanting an honest review from me. I am no way, shape, or form getting any kind of commission from this. So I just wanted to do an honest review, and all their stuff is going to be down below. And also the good thing about it being on a Amazon storefront, it is a Prime. So if you are a Prime member, then you get free shipping, which is always great. So like I said, this is from Jubtic. And I picked the budget planner. It's an updated monthly budget planner. And I have not seen anything like this. I haven't opened it or anything. I literally just took it out of the wrapper. And so we're just going to do it. So it's set goals, create budget, track spending, save money, and stay organized. So as of right now, the way I'm doing my bills, I have this moleskin that I use. And I literally, this is my cheat sheet whenever I do my videos for my budgeting videos and everything. So I write down all my bills, how much I got paid, how much I need to transfer, my cash envelopes, and then my sinking funds. So I'm really interested to know if they're going to have a similar layout that I do with the moleskin, so then maybe I can switch over. So flipping to the first page, there is some stickers, which those are super cute. So you have paid, you have coffee, dinner, or out to eat, shopping, payday, and then you have some other stickers that says credit card, so credit card due. If you have a birthday, you have paydays. If you have spent medical bills, gas, anything like that. So those are always going to be coming in to your budget planner. And we are going to flip to the next page. Hopefully, I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit so y'all can see a little bit better. So the first page is the Jubtic, and then you just enter all of your information, so your name, your phone number, email, social, and your rewards. I'm probably not going to do that because just in case somebody loses, I mean, it's not a big deal. I can always order another one. So moving on, then you have your financial goal, which I'm going to move this candle out the way. So my financial goals, which, as you know, if you have been a long active a long active subscriber on here, you'll know that every year I do a financial goals or personal goals for whatever year is coming up. So this will be good to do the financial goals for next year, starting in January of 2023. Then you have my mind map, so I'm not sure exactly what to do with this. It's a lot of people who can do like bullet journals and everything, and I'm just not that creative. Next, you have the my strategy. So it says new skills I need to achieve my financial goals. So that ties in. I believe all of these are going to tie into your financial goals that you're going to set for the year. So it says my belief and purpose of earning money, actions I would take to earn more money, and actions I will take to cut out my expenses. So all of these are going to correspond with the financial goals. All right, so now we're going to move on to the monthly layout. And the first thing that I've noticed that I really do like is that you have the month and the year. It doesn't give you an exact month and it doesn't give you an exact year. So if you want to skip your budget for January, then you can, and you can just write February down in 2022. Say if you don't use this planner for like a whole 6 months or a year, then instead of 2022, you can start at 2023. So that is one of the good things that I like about that. There's also the month's goals, which also I do have the Erin Condren, which I don't really use the month's goals, but since this is smaller and this is handy that I can just throw in my purse, I can consider doing the monthly goals. There's also the to-do list, which mainly the to-do list for me is probably going to be more goals like sell more stuff on Mercari or eBay or anything like that. So it's probably just going to overflow from there. Now, if you hear my dogs barking, it's just they're probably ready to play, pretty much. Okay, so moving on to the next page, you have the income and your amount. So it says opening balance. So income, I only get paid 2 times every 2 weeks. And also I do have a side hustle, like I mentioned, from eBay and from Mercari. So I will add all of that together, and that will actually replace on the Moleskin right here. So paycheck right here, and then your eBay's right here. And then also you have the savings. So you have the savings and the amount. So I don't do a lot of savings. I do $100 every paycheck, which I could still add that. There's no big deal in that. And then moving on to this layout. This is your monthly layout, and it has everything that you can write. You can write all the dates out, and then you can use your stickers. Like I mentioned, you can use your stickers for important things that is happening in that month. And also it's really good that you can use probably a weekly check-in. I don't do those as much anymore, but a weekly check-in will be good as well. Moving on to the monthly budget. So this is really good. I really like this. I like the layout on this because you have your expense, which you have your house, insurance, electricity, you have phone and internet, which is all the expenses that I use for bills. And also these are for the cash envelope. So you have groceries and dining out. Insurance and medical. Insurance is automatically taken out of my paycheck, but medical, I can always stuff that into my sinking funds. It also has car payments, insurance, fuel, maintenance, bus and train, taxi, and I really like how it is separated. So you have housing, food, health, transportation, personal, which is your clothes, personal care, sports, and gym. Loans is personal, student, and credit card, which this is all me. Entertainment is events and hobbies, and then you have your others. Then down below you have your total budgeted, total actual, and your difference. Okay, so moving on to your expense tracker. So you have the date, the description, the category, and the amount. Now, I'm not very familiar with expense trackers. I don't really use them. I do use them whenever I do like the weekly check-in, but I literally write it on a card. That's how I do it. But since this is small enough for me, then I may consider doing that, which will keep track of my goals and how much everything is going. I don't have to typically like make a video of it, but it'd be good just to have in my backpack at work or in my purse on the weekends to track how much I am spending and where everything is going to be at. And then you also have a couple of more pages for your expense tracker. And then last but not least, you have your monthly budget review. So you have your opening balance, how much I want to say it's how much you thought you was going to get, and then your total income, your total expenses, the difference of that. Your total savings, which is how much I put towards savings, and then the balance forward. Now the spending analysis, which I really like this. I've never seen this done in any other planner. You have your categories. So you have housing, food, healthcare, transportation, personal loans, entertainment, the amount that I put in the month, and then the percentage. Now it's probably going to be, I'm going to have to do a lot of math to figure out 5% every time, because like food will get $100 every paycheck, so that's $200. So I'm going to have to like divide and see how much that is. Or if y'all know exactly an easier way to do the math for this, I would be very grateful for you guys. All right, so last over down here on this page, you do have some questions. So you have my biggest wins this month. Did I meet my budget? If not, why not? Did I achieve this month's goal? If not, why not? what I learned this month by tracking my expenses, and I will do this within 1 month to improve. I think that is really good. It keeps you a lot accountable. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. There's a lot of people who like to write in the stuff and everything, but if I get into the habit, then maybe I will. Then you have ideas and notes, and then you start the month and the year all over again. This is a 12-month planner, so each month has literally the same thing for you guys. And then we're just going to flip to the back just in case to see what all is extra. So we're at the last monthly budget review, and then now we have the savings tracker. So the savings tracker, what are you saving for, the amount needed, and the due date. So you have the date, the deposit, and the balance. Now this is going to be really good if I use it for, the Disney and any of my money challenges that I do. That would be really good, especially the 100 envelope challenge that I'm trying to complete. That would be good too. I also, sorry, my throat is bothering me right now. Would also be good for the 100 envelope challenge because I really do want to complete that challenge. So yeah. And then you have 2 pages, 3, 4 pages, and then you move on to your debt tracker. Now I am on my debt journey. I haven't really posted on here an updated debt journey, which I really need to because we did pay off 2 of the credit cards. So this would be really good because I am constantly putting an amount towards my student loans. And I literally do like $20 this week, $10 that week. During payday, I do like $100. So it's a lot of payments that I'm making. So this would be really good for me to write the amount that I made and then the balance we have left, which it would be super great. One of the challenges that you could do is that you have this box. Say if you have like $1,000 on a credit card, you can use this box, and you have only within that certain amount of box to pay it off. So that would be a fun challenge. So if you have $1,000, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times and 11 dates to pay it off. So that would be good. That would be a good motivation, which is pretty fun. I just thought of that right on top of my head. So you have your debt trackers. You have 2 pages, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, and then you're moving on to your holiday budget. Now the holiday budget, I do already have a sinking funds for Christmas. I did do a video maybe two years ago about the holiday budget, and a lot of people really like it. And if you're a planner like me, you would love this part of the planner because you have your holiday budget with your gifts, wrapping and cards, grocery, and decorations. Then you also have your gifts, so you have your recipients, your description, your budget, and your actual. So this is actually really good because I literally only have $500 to spend for Christmas, and that is from my Ibotta that I have saved. So that would be really good to keep track of all the gifts that I have paid and who I paid for and everything. Then you have your holiday spending, which has your date, your description, your category, and your amount. Moving on to your regular bill tracker. I haven't really dealt with a bill tracker. I just pretty much just half everything and half monthly because I get paid every 2 weeks. But this could probably potentially be a good thing for us. A lot of my bills don't really change, but if yours change, like your light bill changed drastically, then you can keep track of that, or your water bill. That is just something that would be good for you guys. And then moving on to your summary of the year, you have your month, your income, expenses, difference, and savings. And then also with the summary, you have your categories, which is your housing, food, healthcare, transportation, personal loans, and then entertainment, which that would be really good to keep track of your yearly stuff. See what you can improve for next year, see where you can cut and where you can save at. And then last but not least, you literally just have some dotted paper, so you could just write down your ideas. You also have, you can do bullet journals. I don't do bullet journal, but it's very aesthetically pleasing when I watch it on TikTok. But yeah, so this is everything. And then you have your pen holder right here. And then you have this. Oh, I found some stuff. Let's see what it is. It says thank you. And then it says, thank you for your purchase. Please leave a product review, which I will most likely do a product review. So that is it, you guys. That is my honest review on the Jubtic budget planner. Like I said, I will link everything down below. Be sure to just go and check out their Amazon. I think I'm gonna really like this. If you want an updated review after maybe 6 months or so, that would be great. I can do that, see where my opinions stand after that. But that's about it. I love you guys, and thank you so much for everything you have done, and thank you to Jubtic for sending me this. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Bye.